Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best flexible brush for hair on the market, the Ninabella Detangling Hair Brush. This brush has been carefully developed over more than 2 years, resulting in a unique and effective design that makes detangling hair easier and more comfortable than ever before. What sets this brush apart is its spiral spring-mounted brush head, which adapts to the shape of your scalp, providing a gentle, massaging experience as you comb through your hair. Unlike many traditional brushes that can tug and pull, causing pain and damage, this brush glides effortlessly through tangles without any pulling, making it perfect for all hair types, whether your hair is straight, curly, wavy, thick, or thin. The Ninabella Detangling Hair Brush is not only designed for comfort and effectiveness, but it's also environmentally friendly. It's made using recycled plastic for the handle and does not contain any rubber coating or animal hair bristles, making it a fully vegan option for those who are conscious about sustainability. Its ergonomic design ensures that the handle feels lightweight and comfortable to hold, while the spiral bristle arrangement allows the brush to flex and move with your hair, reducing breakage and split ends. This makes it especially great for use on wet hair, hair extensions, or wigs, helping to maintain hair health and appearance. The brush comes in a stylish mint green color and has a compact oblong shape that fits well in your hand for easy maneuverability. It's suitable for both men and women, and its versatility means it can be an ideal tool for anyone looking to improve their daily hair care routine. Overall, the Ninabella Detangling Hair Brush stands out for combining gentle detangling power with a thoughtful, eco-conscious design. If you've been searching for a pain-free, durable, and effective detangling brush, this product certainly deserves your attention. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you in the next video.